Greetings from Changsha. My name is Alan Wang. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the Bloomden's Headquartered. Our office blends traditional Chinese elements with modern design, reflects our core philosophy, honoring heritage while embracing innovations. This is where every journey with us begins, with openness, culture, and a strong sense of trust. From the very first moment, every visitor is welcomed with genuine sincerity and professionalism. These international certificates, including CE and FDA, are more than just recognitions. They represent our constant commitment to quality and our dedication to global standards. This world map tells a story of connection. Each glowing point represents a trusted partnership and a shared success. From Europe to Americas, from Asia to Africa, our products and services now reach more than 100 countries around the globe. Every product in our showroom tells its own story. We bring together industry expertise and modern technology to deliver practical and reliable solutions. For us, innovation is not just about new technology. It's about delivering real impact and long-term value. A great example is our 3D Pro zirconia product, balancing performance and aesthetic, trusted by dental professionals around the world. Efficiency is one of our core values. Our workspace follows a square layout inspired by the Chinese character Hui. It is designed to promote open communication and effective teamwork. Every inquiry, every request, you can count on a prompt and thoughtful response from us. This meeting room has witnessed countless conversations, ideas, and collaborations. We value every opportunity to connect and to grow together, not just as partners, but as trusted friends and long-term allies. Welcome to our Inspiration Lounge. Whether it's a virtual meeting or a quiet moment with a book, this is where life and work come together. Because we believe genuine connection goes beyond task. It comes from the heart. Trust, efficiency, and success. These are more than just our core value. These are the principles that guide everything we do. Wherever you are in the world, we hope to become your trusted and long-term partner.